Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your pulp and paper mill business. Suppose as the owner of pulp and paper mill business, I use WhatsApp chatbot to view product, track orders and get inventory updates. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When user send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your pulp and paper mill business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. Simply we will open our WhatsApp dashboard and type, I want to buy papers. After typing, you will see I am getting the response. Hello, welcome to Greenleaf Pulp and Paper Mill. How can we assist you today? Now we have in two options, view products, check inventory. Now simply click on view product. After clicking, you will see I am getting the response. Craft paper, tissue paper roll. Now simply click on craft paper order now button. After clicking, you will see I am getting another response. Please share your full name. Now I am typing my name, test user. After typing my name, I am getting another response. Please enter preferred date and time. Now I am typing date and time 25 May and time 10 AM. After typing date and time, I am getting our last message. Thank you for reaching out to Greenleaf Pulp and Paper Mill. We appreciate your interest and will get back to you shortly. Now we have an option, check inventory. Simply click on it. After clicking, you will see I am getting the response. Available inventory. So you will see I am getting the responses. Now go back to our chat flow section. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and simply type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in before, so I will sign in. After sign in, we have an interface of 7 Pabbly applications. Now simply click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on Add WhatsApp Number. Now we have two options, WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option, Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID, and select the folder and simply click on Next. After clicking Next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on Accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side inbox section. In this section, we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have Contact field. In this field, we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queue. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. We use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have AI assistant. We use AI Assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now simply click on flows. Now we have a flow builder page. In this we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we are going to create our new chat flow. So simply click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we will rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your pulp and paper mill business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. These format help us to trigger the chatbot. We can also trigger our chatbot with the help of keywords and template. Now we take text button and write a message on it. Hello, welcome to Greenleaf Pulp and Paper Mill. How can we assist you today? And you will see I am using the asterisk sign. Asterisk sign is used to bold the text. Now in this we also add button, view products, check inventory. Now simply connect the flow. Now we take text button and write a message on it. When user press check inventory button, then we will send over this message. Now we take media button. In this box, we upload the image which I already downloaded. And simply enter the caption, craft paper and also add order now button. Now we take another media box and simply upload the media. Now we enter caption, tissue paper roll. Now in this we also add order now button. Now connect this view product button to this media box. Now we take question box. In this box we ask a name from user. Please share your full name. Now select the contact custom field, full name. Also select the format, that is text format. Now simply connect this order now button to this question box. Now we take another question box. In this box we ask a date and time from user. Please enter preferred date and time. Now select the contact custom field, date and time. Also select the format, that is text format. Now simply connect this question box to this box. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now we take text button and write our last message on it. Thank you for reaching out to Greenleaf Pulp and Paper Mill. We appreciate your interest and will get back to you shortly. Now simply connect this question box to this message box and save the flow. Now we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type buy papers. After typing, you will see I am getting the response. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.